videoing me?
Yeah.
Without my consent?
I already did.
You will lead me. You will tell me where to go. You will guide my footsteps. And God, I thank you. I won't want for nothing. Hallelujah. I won't want for nothing. Hallelujah. Oh, just get to a neighbor one more time and tell them you will thrive.
Judah, can you, there's that little white box right over there, and it has black cups in it. I want them on the top right of every place setting. Huh?
Oh, I put them back in the room. You needed it? Oh, you stacked your charges down here too. Okay, that's fine. It's right around the corner. I'll do it.
Let it rise among us. Let the glory of the Lord.
I might need it for this hot plate. I can hide the holes on the hot plate. So give me 1 second. Can I steal this hot plate from you?
Of
I
course.
need it across the hall.
No problem. Let's get this moved out the way. You come from behind. No.
We all gassed up there.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You got full liability. Covering, dashing, gunning, sprinkling, and everything else.
I'm learning. It's getting better. I stopped decorating because I'm not a people. Look. I know how to be professional, but I'm not a people.
You know, Target got that on sale. Something I need one down there. Oh.
Secure, no fall in the food.
Even when I feel like I might just look to my mom. I remember Kayla.
Come on in the room.
You're welcome.